Number 1. They don't come much cleaner than this Survivor. Listed at $7,800 in Las Vegas, Nevada. This 1977 Pontiac Catalina is a beautifully preserved original with just 58,000 miles. Powered by stock 350 Pontiac V8, mated to an automatic transmission, it drives as smooth as it looks. The rust-free body wears sharp red paint over a black interior that's never seen smoke. Everything works: lights, horn, air conditioning, making it a fully functional time capsule. With a clean Nevada title and solid undercarriage, it's ideal for weekend shows, vintage cruising, or simply turning heads around town. This is 70s Detroit steel at its most dependable. Number 2. Old school muscle and manual fun. This 1976 Chevrolet Nova in Creswell delivers both for $7,995. It's powered by a healthy 350 V8 mated to a factory 4-speed manual, making every drive a throwback thrill. Showing 137,000 miles. It's equipped with power steering and power brakes for smooth cruising, and it rolls confidently on rally wheels with solid tires. The off-white paint has some age but still presents well, while the blue interior remains clean and complete. It's not a show car, but it's mechanically strong and ready for weekend fun or daily driving, with a clean title and no major issues. This Nova is a dependable vintage driver ready to hit the road. Number 3. Affordable muscle with serious style still exists. Listed at $13,500 in Grade, Kentucky. This 1973 Mercury Cougar XR7 is a low-mileage classic showing just 58,000 miles. Under the hood sits a strong 351 Cleveland V8 pair with a smooth automatic transmission that shifts just right. It runs well, holds a clean title, and that screams 70s cool. The tires are dry-rotted but still hold air, an easy fix for a weekend project. Whether you're cruising, as is, or planning a full resto, this sharp-bodied Cougar offers a lot of muscle car charm for the money. Number 4. Unrestored charm meets vintage rarity in this clean little cruiser. Priced at $6,500 and located in Stayton, Oregon, this 1962 Rambler American 400 is a rust-free survivor with just 74,550 original miles and a clean title. It's powered by a 195.6cc IOHV inline 6, mated to a 2-speed automatic transmission, making it an easygoing classic to drive. Recently treated to new brakes, fresh tires, and a 150-amp alternator upgrade, it's ready for modern touches like sea or air suspension. Dressed in original green pattern over a matching interior, this Rambler is a quirky, dependable time capsule that stands out at any cruise-in. Number 5. Preserved and full of personality. This 1975 Dodge Dart Swinger is a time capsule priced at $5,950 in Chesapeake, VA, a true barn find with just 56,000 miles. It's powered by a 318 V8 paired to an automatic transmission and still runs and drives strong. Factory options include AC, AM, FM radio, power steering, and power brakes, making it a well-equipped cruiser for its era. The original off-white paint shows honest wear, and the green interior remains in nice condition. The roof and vinyl top could use attention, but the structure is solid throughout. Clean title included. A rarely seen survivor that's ideal for light restoration or daily vintage enjoyment. Number 6. Vintage utility ever looks so cool. Priced at $6,000 and located in Pittsburg, California, this 1960 Ford Ranchero blends classic lines with blue-collar toughness. It's powered by a reliable inline 6 paired with an automatic transmission, and while it's been sitting for a while, it runs, drives, and sounds healthy. With just 62,923 miles on the clock, it's a solid, unrestored survivor that's currently on non-op status with no back fees. The patina tells a story, and the clean body makes it a perfect candidate for restoration, customization, or preservation. Open to trades, classic cars, motorcycles, or daily drivers, this Ranchero is ready for its next chapter. Number 7. Frozen in time with just 28,000 miles, this 1972 AMC Hornet SST in Random Lake, Wisconsin, is a survivor worth a second look. Priced at $4,000 or best offer, It's powered by a smooth-running 232 inline-6 paired to a 3-speed automatic transmission, and everything from the wipers to the lights still works. The tan paint is straight with no major damage, and the original interior is nearly flawless. Aside from a small tear in the driver's seat, it's 90% rust-free, with minor flaws like a cracked tail light and a leaky rear window seal. Comes with original mats, manuals, and 3 sets of keys. Needs a battery, but fires up with a jump. A rare, unmolested AMC gem, trade considered. Number 8. Luxury. Ever looked this bold in silver and red? Priced at $8,500 and located in Vestal, New York, this 1975 Chrysler Cordoba 50th Anniversary Edition is a garage-kept survivor showing 84,329 original miles. Under the hood is a strong-running 360 V8 paired with a smooth automatic transmission, delivering that classic moper muscle in a luxury package. It's loaded with creature comforts, power windows, seats, steering, cruise control, cold AC, and upgraded audio. The interior features the iconic fine Corinthian leather, while the exterior shines with newer silver paint. Minor issues include a leaky fuel gauge, aged steering box, and a slight oil drip, but it remains rust-free and ready to cruise. Number 9. Big, bold, and built to haul. This 1983 Chevrolet C30 Dually is old-school muscle in work truck form. Priced at $6,000 and located in College Place, Washington, it's a 1-ton classic with an automatic transmission, dual rear wheels, and a loud yellow finish that turns heads. With around 100,000 miles, it runs and drives well, making it a dependable rig for towing, hauling, or daily use. The beige interior is functional, and while the body shows somewhere including a dinged fender, it still presents strong. Whether you want a shop truck, camper hauler, or square body project base, this Chevy's got the bones and attitude to handle it all. Number 10. Full-size Ford muscle meets budget-friendly cruising in this 1968 Ford LTD, offered at $4,600 in Wellsville, Ohio. Powered by a stout 390 V8 pair with an automatic transmission, it's a solid runner with just over 74,000 miles on the clock. 4-wheel disc brakes provide confident stopping power, and the sale includes extras: a full gasket kit, head studs, chrome trim, a 4-barrel intake, and matching carb. The body wears sage with a gray patina and some oil leaks, but it's mechanically sound and roadworthy with a clean title. Rattles and squeaks add character to this complete, drivable classic. Ideal for light restoration or weekend fun. Seller is open to trades for something more efficient. Number 11. Muscle era dreams start right here. This 1966 Ford Galaxie 500 packs a factory big block 390 V8, paired with a C6 automatic transmission, and is ready for its second act. Listed at $8,000 in Thibodaux, Louisiana, this project in progress includes fresh tires, new rims, and a full interior upholstery kit waiting to be installed. The seller began stripping the paint but couldn't finish, leaving a clean slate opportunity for someone with vision. It runs, drives, and shows 100,000 miles on the odometer. With additional replacement parts included, just ask for the full list. If you're after a classic cruiser with muscle car bones and parts to spare, this Galaxie has serious potential. Number 12. This street-tough 1978 Chevrolet El Camino isn't just another utility coupe. It's a Corvette-powered custom with attitude. Priced at $7,000 in Bethlehem, PA, it's driven by a fuel-injected LT1 engine, mated to a 7.0R for automatic transmission for smooth, modern power. Recent upgrades include all-new brakes and suspension, making it tight on the road. Eye-catching Chevelle SS hood inserts and Corvette rally wheels add serious style to the black and red exterior. The interior remains in solid condition, and, while it holds a rebuilt R title, it runs and drives strong. Whether you're cruising Main Street or showing it off at Cars and Coffee, this one's ready to turn heads with muscle and flair. Number 13. Moper muscle with budget-friendly potential. This 1973 Plymouth Duster in Greenville, Georgia, is offered at $6,000 and packs a 318 V8, paired with an automatic transmission. It's a running project with front disc brakes and a matching green-on-green color scheme that screams 1970s attitude. The body looks straight, and the seller confirms it drives as is, making it a solid foundation for a sleeper build, resto mod, or factory-style refresh. Mileage is unknown, but the bones are solid, and the vibe is all there. If you've been waiting for an affordable gateway into vintage Plymouth power, this duster delivers the raw material. Bring your tools, your vision, and get to wrenching. Number 14. Here's a classic compact ready for the next chapter. This 1961 Ford Falcon in Linn Creek, Missouri, is a lightweight gem priced at $6,000. With just 69,000 miles and a clean title, it runs, drives, and features a 6-cylinder engine, paired to an automatic transmission. Recent updates include new floor work and a solid glass set, making it a strong starting point for a restoration or casual cruiser. While the motor does smoke a bit and the blue interior is basic, everything's present and functional. No radio, no frills, just old-school honesty. A great father-son project or vintage daily driver that still carries timeless charm. Number 15. Heavy-duty hauling meets classic cool. This 1977 Chevrolet 3500 Crew Cab in Oklahoma City is offered at $6,500 and packs a freshly rebuilt $450 for big block V8, paired with a stout TH4O automatic transmission. It cruises smooth at highway speeds thanks to a lower mileage rear end and fresh components like new wheel bearings, bushings, U-bolts, and U-joints. The truck includes rocker patch panels and a Beltec rear lowering kit. If you're aiming for a custom stance with a lawn bed and dually setup, it's perfect for towing tows or turning into a show-worthy hauler. Oklahoma title is clean, tags are current, and trade offers with cash are welcome. This one's built for work or wild style. Number 16. Golden Era trucks don't get much cooler than this. Listed at $5,000 in Westland, Oregon, this 1984 Chevrolet C10 long bed is a solid running, clean titled classic with unmistakable 60s style. Powered by a V8 and paired to an automatic transmission, it's been used for dump runs and weekend cruising. Finished in gold with matching interior, it shows only minor rust bubbles and comes with a new gas tank and sending unit to fix the gauge. Whether you're after a restoration base or a turnkey cruiser, this well-kept truck delivers charm, utility, and vintage appeal in one hard-to-find package. Number 17. Ready to wrench on something with real muscle? Offered at $7,000, this 1979 Ford F-250 Ranger XLT in Medford, Oregon, brings classic 2-ton strength with its 400 CI V8, 4-barrel system, dual fuel tanks, and automatic transmission. Though it's been sitting for years, it still fires up, runs, and shifts smoothly through all gears. It'll need attention, plan for a leaky carb, a nosy power steering pump, and some freshening throughout. But the structure is solid and full of potential. With over 333,000 miles showing on the odometer, actual mileage unknown, this beast wears its age proudly, clean title in hand, and ready for someone to revive it into a retro off-roader or workhorse with style. Number 18. Boxy, bold, and full of 80s attitude. This 1986 Ford F-1505 5.0 is turning heads in Alamo, Texas, for just $5,500, riding on fresh 295/50th tires and powered by a strong 5.8 L351 CI V8. Paired with an automatic transmission, it blends power and practicality in one classic package. The long 8FT bed makes it a true workhorse, while the green paint and tan interior give it vintage curb appeal. Power windows and clean body line suggest it's been well kept, even if the details are minimal, with a clean title and unmistakable square body charm. This F-150 is a smart buy for fans of old-school Ford toughness. Number 19. Old-school Ford toughness meets for buy for swagger in this 1983 F-150 short bed, offered at $5,750 in Clatskanie, Oregon. Powered by 351 Windsor, paired with a heavy-duty granny gear 4-speed manual transmission, it runs and drives with purpose. Recent upgrades include new struts, fresh tires, and dual fuel tanks for long hauls. Odometer reads 105,000 miles. and the clean title backs up a life of solid use. For those looking to take it further, the seller includes a full 5-speed swap and a mountain of extras: hubs, tats, rotors, emblems, intake, cart, and more for 6 days and $750 total. A rugged classic ready for trails, truck shows, or your next big build. Number 20. Affordable entry into vintage moper starts here. Priced at just $1,000, this 1980 Plymouth Volare in Union City, Tennessee, is a one-owner survivor with timeless 80s style. It sports a reliable inline 6 engine, mated to an automatic transmission, and shows just under 120,000 miles. The seller reports minimal rust, a rare quality for cars of this era. Though it's not currently running, the engine is said to be strong, making this an excellent candidate for restoration or budget cruising. Gold paint over a brown interior adds to the period-correct charm. Whether you're after a sleeper project, daily beater, or low-cost classic, this offers solid bones and serious value.